Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView on your laptop. First, download the desktop application from the official website, ensuring it matches your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the straightforward instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch the application and either log in using your existing TradingView credentials or quickly create a new account to get started. Now let's navigate the interface. The large central area displays your charts with a toolbar above for quick actions. On the right, you'll find the watch list panel, perfect for keeping an eye on your favorite stocks or cryptocurrencies. Explore the options to change time frames from 1 minute to 1 month and discover where to add various technical indicators to your charts for deeper analysis. Personalizing your workspace is key for efficient trading. You can easily adjust chart types, like candlesticks or bars, and change colors or themes to your liking. Experiment with adding different technical indicators, such as moving averages or RSI, and configure their settings. Remember to save your customized layouts. This allows you to quickly load your preferred setup whenever you open TradingView, saving valuable time. TradingView offers powerful tools to enhance your analysis. Use the drawing tools, like trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, to mark up your charts. The alert system is incredibly useful. Set price alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a specific level, so you never miss an opportunity. For seamless execution, you can even connect a supported broker directly to TradingView and place trades right from the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.